This multi-mode tablet security kit gives you fast switches between tabletop, wall-mounted, and handheld setups, without ever compromising on theft protection. Your tablet stays locked within a galvanized steel security cable, which attaches at the other end to any permanent fixture, including onto either of the two mounting bases. The unique slide-adjustable Tri-Grip Security Clasp cradles your tablet by its lower corners and top edge. The holder is also equipped with a quick connect slide piece, which slides easily onto other ends on the included tabletop display mount and wall mount. The holder releases with the simple press of a button. Thanks to this combination of flexibility and security, the Tri-Grip Tablet Security Clasp is a great way to add tablet functionality to any classroom, point of sale, showroom, or business. This kiosk is compatible with 7 to 13-inch tablets, including the newest iPad 10.2-inch 7th generation, iPad Pro 11-inch, and 12.9-inch 2018, iPad Air 1 to 3, iPad Mini Gen 1 to 5, iPad Gen 1 to 6, Galaxy Tab tablets, and more.